Entonces, primero que todo, todas reverencias a mi Guru Pada Padma, Nitya Pravistam Vishnupad, Astotra Sata Sisya, Nitya Pravistam Vishnupad, Astotra Sata Sisimad Bhaktivedanta, Narayan Goswami Maharaj. También a Nitya Pravistam Vishnupad, Astotra Sata Sisimad Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj.
Today,
El día de hoy
and we've done very beautiful kirtans today.
han
Especially, what's your name? Nikunja Devidasi.
hecho un hermoso kirtan, especialmente Nikunja Devidasi.
Didi's name is Nikunja Vilasini.
No, perdón, Nikunja Vilasini.
Nitya Golok Vrindavan Dham. I entered. I felt very nice.
Entonces, cuando yo entré a esta casa, yo me sentí
Srinathji in the picture over there.
muy bien.
I knew that you must be from Uttar Pradesh. The people from UP, Uttar Pradesh, they all
Entonces,
they have love and attraction towards the Gopal. So the people from UP, Uttar Pradesh, that you must be from Uttar Pradesh.
ustedes,
I knew that you must be from Uttar Pradesh.
yo sé que ustedes vienen de Uttar Pradesh.
The people from UP, Uttar Pradesh,
La gente de este
they
lugar,
all
todos ellos
they have love and attraction towards the Gopal. So Vrindavan and Braj is
tienen
in the state of Uttar Pradesh.
mucho amor y
I saw this
afecto.
house and it is very beautiful.
Entonces, esta casa es muy hermosa.
Because the land of ground of Braj, Krishna himself,
Porque en la tierra de
in his
Braya,
Leela,
Krishna mismo en su lila
if someone listens to this Harikatha
Si
and
alguien
remember this,
escucha
then
este
he will depart
Harikata
from this material world
y
forever.
lo recuerda, va a ser liberado de este mundo material.
With two words, I want to purify my tongue. With two words, I want to purify my tongue.
Entonces voy a hablar algunas palabras para
This human life
purificar
is
mi lengua.
extremely rare.
Esta vida humana es sumamente rara.
So 8400,000 have been through that lives and creatures. So the meaning and essence of this life is that we perform bhajan.
Entonces, y el objetivo de esta vida en este cuerpo humano es realizar Vayan y Sadhan para Krishna.
Our acharyas, they say, world, do
Nuestros,
something that people will remember you. They say, before you depart from this world, do something that people will
entonces,
remember you.
nuestros acharyas dicen que antes de abandonar este cuerpo, recuerde.
This world, how many people are coming and going from this material world? So
¿Cuántas
many.
personas vienen y
Every
van
day
a este
in
mundo material?
television, you can see
Todos
in
los
newspaper,
días
you were seeing the news.
en
How many
televisión o en
people
el
are
periódico,
coming and going.
ustedes pueden leer
People
estas
are
cifras
taking
de
birth and dying every second. There's
cómo
so
las
many people.
personas nacen y mueren a cada segundo.
So people are making big palaces and big houses, and then they leave it and they die.
Entonces las personas hacen palacios o
So
casas
after
grandes y
150
después
years, that house,
mueren.
that building, it will end.
Y después de muchos
And
años
exactly
esa
that same
construcción
place,
va a terminar.
150.
Se va a terminar.
So we're seeing so many places. I'm
Entonces,
seeing very big houses here. So
en
they are
varios lugares
destroying them
podemos
and they are making new buildings.
ver casas que son destruidas y son construidas de nuevo por otras
Because
personas.
this is the law of nature and this
¿Por qué?
material
Porque
world.
esta es la naturaleza de este mundo material.
So from like eternal time, we cannot even count from so long ago. From
Entonces,
so long ago, this has been going on. This is known as the law of nature. Nobody can stop it. No one can
nadie puede
do
detener
anything towards it.
esta
This is how the flow
naturaleza.
of life happens.
¿Por qué? Porque así es como debe suceder.
But before we die,
Pero
we should do something
antes de morir, nosotros debemos
so that
hacer
these
algo.
people will remember us afterwards.
Y de esa manera la gente nos va a recordar.
They should remember us for ages to come. So what should we do? What can we do?
Entonces, ¿qué debemos
So that
hacer
people on this material world will remember us.
para que la gente de este mundo material nos recuerde?
So for Pratishta, ego, people do
Para
lots
el
of work for their own
pratishta,
ego.
para el ego. La gente
And
hace
they are
muchas
earning
cosas.
millions and millions of dollars and they're spending that amount. I'm not going into any politics, but whatever I'm seeing, and they are earning millions and millions of dollars and they're spending that amount.
Entonces, ¿qué pasa? Que ellos
I'm not
gastan
going into any
miles y miles
politics,
de
but whatever
dólares.
I'm seeing, I'm speaking.
Yo no quiero entrar en políticas.
So in elections, how many rupees they are spending? They're spending crores of almost like $1 billion.
Entonces hay gente que gasta muchísimas rupees, que es el equivalente a miles de
And what is
dólares.
the result?
¿Y cuál es el resultado de
We
esto?
should check.
Nosotros debemos verlo.
Everybody, they want to be elected as the prime minister or president. They will just stay for a temporary time. They want to be elected. But what is the result? We should check. Everybody, they want to be elected as the president, they will just stay for a temporary time.
Entonces, por ejemplo, el primer ministro va a estar en este cargo por un tiempo
In
determinado.
history, lots of kings they
En la
have come and
historia
gone.
han habido muchos
So
reyes
many
que
have come and
vienen
they
y
have
van
gone. No one will remember.
y nadie los
In
recuerda.
the book, it's written. Their name is embedded in the Guinness Book of World Record. Guinness Book of World Record. It's written there. But who reads that book? Nobody reads
Entonces,
that book.
estos nombres están escritos en un libro, pero ¿quién lee este libro? Nadie.
The history of India is so unique. So Ram and Krishna, the story of Ram and Krishna,
Entonces
has
la
been going
historia
on.
de India es
Ramchandra, he
única.
came around 8 crore years ago.
Entonces está la
According
historia
to the
de
scriptures,
Rama
he
y
came into 24th Chaturya crore years ago. So Ram and Krishna, the story of Ram and Krishna, they have been going on. Ramchandra, he came around 8
entonces
crore years ago.
está la historia de Rama y Krishna.
According to the scriptures, he came into 24th Chaturya. Lord Ramchandra came, Satya Treta Dwapar Kali. So this is one age. This is the cycle that's going on from
Entonces una era está conformada por
right now.
Satya,
It's
Teta,
Kali Yuga.
Dwapara y Kali Yuga.
This is 28th Chaturya, and Lord Ramchandra came in 24th Chaturya. One
Estamos en el Chatur Yuga número 28 y el señor Ramachandra vino en el
right now it's
número
Kali Yuga.
24.
This is 28th Chaturya, and 4th Chaturya. One Chaturya is cycle from Satya to Kali Yuga.
Entonces
So
un
even till
Chatur
now,
Yuga
we have never
representa estas etapas de Satya, Tetra, Dwapara y Kali
seen
Yuga.
Lord Ramchandra. Krishna also. Krishna also took birth here, and everyone remembers about Krishna, and everyone hears about Ram, and everyone hears about Krishna. Everywhere
Entonces,
the Ram Katha is happening, all the people sit, and their heart melts.
entonces Krishna también tuvo aparición en India y en donde sea que se
Everywhere
hable
the
este
Ram Katha
Rama
is
Katha,
happening, all
¿qué
the
sucede?
people,
Toda la gente
the people sit, and their
que
heart
está
melts.
escuchando, está
Their
sentada
heart
escuchando,
is soft.
¿qué pasa? Su corazón es
I
derretido.
remember
Yo
when
recuerdo
in the year around 1986 or something around 1987.
alrededor de 1986.
So Didi said when she was pregnant, she watched the Ramayana. So Ramayan, Ramban and Sagar, when he released the TV series of Ramayan,
Cuando
all the
salió
people
la serie de televisión del Ramayana, ay, perdón, se salió la aplicación.
they gathered and they were so curious even till today.
Entonces fue una
Ramayana has been
gran serie
telecasted and people will be curious to watch it.
y
Even
hasta la
atheists,
fecha las
even
personas ven esta
Muslim
serie,
people,
incluso las
people of
personas
other religion,
musulmanas
they
de
sat
otra
on the street and
y
they
también
watched
personas
the
de otras
television
religiones.
in the main road of Mathura, GT Road, from 9 to 10. They put
Entonces de 9 a 10
they put the projector and screen,
ellos
and
ponían
everyone from the locality
el,
watched it.
el proyector y las personas se reunían a ver esto.
So in the heart of people is so many feelings. At that time I
Entonces en el
witnessed it
corazón de las
myself.
personas hay muchos sentimientos.
Sita, who portrayed the role of Sita. Varun Govind, and they used to decorate very nice resolutions and flower garlands.
Entonces, ¿qué pasaba? Que ellos hacían una hermosa decoración con guirnaldas, con varios
So,
adornos.
so that actor, people think that he's Ramchandra.
Entonces, de hecho,
People
la
think that
gente pensaba
specific
que
actor is God.
ese
Some
actor
people think
era
that actor, those
Ramchandra.
actors who played the role of Ram and Sita, some people worship them.
Algunas personas pensaban que ellos
These
habían
are cinema
tomado este rol
artists.
de Ram y
They are
Sita,
not God.
pero
But people
ellos en realidad
think
no son Dios.
that they are God.
Pero las
Even
personas
till now,
pensaban que ellos
some
eran Dios.
this is the feelings of Indian people. They have so much faith.
Entonces este es el sentimiento de las personas de India. Tienen mucho sentimiento hacia esto.
So in Katha of God is so much joy and bliss.
¿Por qué? Porque el
And
kata de Dios es
and the
muy
heart it melts
bendito.
and
¿Y
the
qué
tears
hace?
fall down from eyes. I used to see Gurudev Sri
Dirri-
Bhaktivinoda
que
Narayan
esto
Goswami Maharaj. He went used to go to
derrite
Holland. I saw
el corazón de las personas y empiezan a
and
brotar
the tears
lágrimas
fall
de
down from
los
eyes. I
ojos.
used to see
Yo solía
Gurudev
ver
Sri
esto.
Bhaktivinoda Narayan Goswami Maharaj. He
Yo
went
veía a
used to go to
Narayan Goswami
Holland. I saw
Maharaj.
he used to play Ramayana and Gurudev used to sit and watch it. It was so beautiful. Gurudev used to say he was devotee of Ram since childhood.
Perdón.
Gurudev said Sri Bhaktivinoda Narayan Goswami Maharaj. He went used to go to Holland. I saw
Ok.
he used to play.
Entonces yo solía ver a Gurudev Narayan Goswami Maharaj cuando íbamos hacia Holanda
Ramayana.
y cuando
And
ponían
Gurudev
este
used to sit
Ramayana.
and watch it. It was so beautiful. Gurudev used to say
Y Gurudev,
he was
esto era algo
devotee of
muy
Ram
hermoso.
since childhood.
Él decía que era devoto de
Gurudev
Rama.
said Gurudev took birth in Bihar. Which village is it? Tewaripur. I forgot the name of the place. What's Buxar. Zilla district Buxar. Gurudev used to say
Entonces,
all the people of my family they used to chant the name of Ram and they all were devotees of Ramchandra.
todos
The
solían
stories,
cantar
pastimes of Ram are
el nombre de
so
Rama.
blissful. This is true.
Esto es verdad, es algo muy hermoso.
The character of Ramchandra is very beautiful to study.
Entonces la historia de Rama
It's
es
heart automatically
muy hermosa para estudiar.
from little child to an old person. It's
Desde
catching the
niños
minds and hearts of
hasta
everyone.
personas mayores, es capaz de cautivar a todos.
Didi said when his father used to cry,
La
they
Didi
were
dice
watching it. Gurudev also used to cry.
que su padre solía llorar con esto y Gurudev dice que Gurudev
Before
Narayan
he
Goswami
departed from
Maharaj
the material world, he
solía
said,
llorar
I
también con
want to
esto.
go to. So Gurudev,
Entonces
before he departed from the material world, he
Gurudev,
said,
antes de
I
partir de
want
este
to go
mundo,
to
¿qué dijo?
Janakpur. Gurudev wanted to go the birthplace of Sita Devi.
Entonces él quería ir al lugar de Sita Devi. Él fue a ese lugar a tomar darshan.
This is the glories of Lord Ramchandra.
Estas son las glorias de Ramachandra, del nombre de Ramachandra.
So Rupa Goswami Pad wrote a letter.
Entonces Rupa Goswami Pad escribió una carta y decía:
He went to Ayodhyapuri and he went to Ayodhyapuri and
él iba a Ayodhya.
this is the law of nature. Who is coming, they have to go.
Entonces, ¿cuál es la naturaleza? Todo aquel que viene también debe irse.
This is the law of nature and material world.
Esa es
It
la
has been going on
naturaleza
from eternity.
del mundo material.
And the stories of Ram, stories of Krishna,
Entonces la historia de Ram y de
they
Krishna,
all they all have a special place in the hearts of all humans. People
todas,
who have a heart of stone,
todas estas
they
historias
all
tienen,
they all have a special place in the hearts of all humans. People who have
entonces tiene un lugar muy especial en todos los
a heart of
corazones.
stone,
A veces
people who have a heart of stone,
las personas tienen un corazón de piedra, como una
but if you
piedra.
tell them the story of
Pero
Lord
si tú
Ramchandra,
les cuentas la
their
historia
heart
del señor
will
Ramachandra,
melt.
¿qué pasa? Su corazón va a estar completamente derretido.
So I'm saying this
Entonces,
because
¿por qué estoy diciendo esto?
so I'm saying this is the law of nature. Who has come, they have to go.
Yo digo esto porque
So
la
who die
naturaleza
alone,
es
chant
que
the names of
aquellos que vienen se irán. ¿Y cómo se
chant the
irán?
names of
Solos.
Hari.
Entonces ustedes tienen que cantar los nombres de Hari.
That is the only way to be delivered from this
Esta
material
es
world.
la única manera
So
de
chant the names of
liberarse
Hari,
de
chant the
este
names of
mundo,
Krishna.
cantando los santos nombres de Krishna.
So chant the names of Krishna,
Entonces,
chant the names of Ram. Live in this
canten
material world.
los nombres
Where
de
will you go
Hari y
away?
canten los
You
nombres de
cannot go
Rama.
away from here. But
Perdón, ahí se corta la transmisión
so chant the
original.
names of Krishna, chant the names of Ram. Live in this material world. Where will you go away? You cannot go away from here. But so while living in this world, we should chant the names of
Entonces,
Lord, chant holy names.
viviendo en este mundo, nosotros debemos cantar los nombres de Krishna.
So doing bhajan,
Entonces debemos
there are
hacer
no
Bhagavad
rules and
Bhajan.
regulations.
No hay reglas y regulaciones.
So Mahaprabhu Shikshashtad in second verse.
Mahaprabhu en su segundo verso del Sikshastakam.
So Krishna Lord has manifested all his power and
Entonces
potencies in
Krishna,
holy
el
names.
Señor, ha manifestado toda su potencia en los santos nombres.
And there are no rules to chant
Y
holy
no
names.
hay regla
You
alguna
can
para
chant holy
cantar
names
los santos
anytime you
nombres.
want.
Ustedes pueden cantarlo en cualquier
There are
momento.
rules and regulations to do something like wake up early in the morning,
Hay,
freshen up,
hay
and then
algunas reglas como levantarse temprano,
put lots of tilak, and then
bañarse,
you
ponerse
start to
tilak
meditate on Krishna,
y
do puja
después
and archan.
meditar en Krishna, hacer
This is the
puya y
process.
archana. Este es el
To
proceso.
chant the holy names,
Pero
you
para
need
cantar los
absolute
santos
there is no
nombres,
there are no rules.
¿qué pasa? No hay ninguna
At the same
regla.
time, you can
En cualquier
you can
momento
chant holy
ustedes
names
pueden cantar
at
los
midnight.
santos nombres.
Whenever you wake
Todas
up,
las
12
noches,
o'clock, 1 o'clock,
o por ejemplo
2
cuando
o'clock,
ustedes
3
se
o'clock,
despierten
anytime at night,
a la 1 de la
in 3
tarde, 2 de
o'clock,
la
4
tarde,
o'clock, so
no
whatever works
importa.
for you, chant holy names.
Ustedes canten los santos nombres.
So this is how you take holy name, chant holy names.
Entonces esa es la manera en que ustedes deben cantar los
While you're
santos
eating
nombres.
food,
Por ejemplo, cuando ustedes
while eating food,
toman un
chant
poco
holy names.
de comida, incluso ahí ustedes pueden cantar los santos nombres.
So when you're eating, we should take the
Entonces,
names of Janardhan Prabhu.
cuando ustedes coman, ustedes deben
Janardhan, Lord Janardhan.
tomar el nombre de
So when
Janardhan.
you're sleeping,
Cuando ustedes
we
duerman,
should take the
ustedes
names of Lord Padmanabha.
deben tomar el
Take
nombre de Padmanabha.
the name of Lord Vishnu, Lord Padmanabha. There are no rules at all.
No hay reglas
Chant the holy names
para
without
cantar
exaltation, no rules.
el santo nombre.
So there is no discrimination.
No hay
If
discriminación
anyone
alguna.
walking in the forest, you can
Si
walk
van
in
caminando en
anywhere
el
in the world,
bosque, si ustedes van caminando en
chant holy
cualquier
names.
parte del mundo,
So in
ustedes pueden
jungle,
cantar los
whose name
santos
should you
nombres.
take? You should take the names of Lord Ramchandra.
Tienen que tomar los nombres del señor Ramchandra.
And when you're in trouble,
Cuando-
Madhusudan, take the name of Madhusudan. There are 16 names of the god.
Entonces
It is
hay
explained in scriptures at what
16
time you take which name of those 16 names.
nombres del Señor y las escrituras explican en qué momento tomar cada uno de estos nombres.
So this is the glories of the holy name.
Esas son las glorias del santo nombre.
Mahaprabhu says,
Mahaprabhu dijo,
there is no difference between the God and his God name.
no hay diferencia entre el
God
Señor
has
y el nombre del Señor.
all his power and potencies
¿Por
in
qué?
his holy
Porque
names.
el Señor ha
The Hari
manifestado
Savara
toda
Hari
su
Katha, that
potencia en
the
los
name of
santos
Hari
nombres.
is bigger than Hari.
De hecho, el nombre Hari
Lord
es más
Ramchandra,
elevado que Hari.
he went to
El Señor
Lanka
Ramachandra,
and he
cuando
went
fue
with the army of monkeys and he bigger than Hari. Lord Ramchandra, he went to Lanka
cuando él
and
va
he
a
went with the
Lanka
army of
y
monkeys
fue con el ejército
and
de
he
monos,
had to make a bridge on the ocean to cross. He made a
cuando iban a
bridge,
hacer
Ram Setu.
un
And what
puente
when did
de
Hanuman go?
rocas
How did
para
Hanuman
cruzar.
travel? Chandra ki So Lord Hanuman took a jump and he reached to Lanka and he took a jump and he reached back. This is glories of Lord Hanuman.
Entonces, ¿qué pasó? Que el señor Hanuman dio un brinco y llegó automáticamente a Lanka. Estas son las glorias de
So
Hanumanji.
the names of Ramchandra has so much power.
Entonces, el
Even
nombre
in
de
this world,
Ramachandra tiene mucho poder, incluso en
those who are
este mundo.
chanting the Lord
Aquellas
in this Lord,
personas
they don't get any pain.
que están cantando estos nombres no tienen ningún tipo de castigo.
Tulsidas Ji is saying,
Tulsidasi dice,
he said to make dal and make wheat, you have to process it using chakki. So when that chakki, that machinery is moving, it used to grind the wheat grains, chickpeas, and there's one stick in the middle of that system.
entonces, por ejemplo, cuando uno quiere moler granos como dal, arroz o algunos otros granos en una, ¿cómo se le puede llamar? Como un molino,
So it
que,
used to grind the wheat
como en
grains,
una
chickpeas,
máquina.
and there's one stick in the middle of that system. So between two stones, there's one stick, and between the stones, we put the grains of wheat.
Entonces, en este sistema hay dos piedras, en medio se ponen los granos y en medio también hay una especie de vara
So,
con la que
so
se muelen los
if the
granos.
grains reach near the stick and then we move it, the grains will not be blended, will not be grinded. What is the meaning?
Pero
If the grains reach near the stick and then we move it, the grains will not be blended, will not be grinded. What is the meaning? If the grains reach near the stick and then we move it, the grains will not be blended, will not be grinded. What is the meaning?
hay algunos granos que no van a ser molidos. Y
Ram and Krishna, those who stay in the shelter of their lotus feet.
entonces, ¿cuál es el significado de esto? Que el señor Rama y Krishna,
When God, Lord Ram and Krishna, those who stay in the shelter of their lotus feet,
cuando uno está bajo el refugio de sus pies
Maya
de
Devi,
loto,
she grinds them,
Maya Devi
and the people,
no los puede,
Maya does not grind them, does
no
not
los
affect
puede
them.
tomar, no los
And
puede
the
afectar.
people who are absorbed in Maya,
Y las personas que
Maya
están
really grinds
absortas
them and really blends
en
them,
Maya,
expresses them.
¿qué pasa? Maya
So
los
Tulsidas
va a
is saying,
aplastar.
he's saying, so people who are in the shelter of Ram and Krishna,
Entonces,
Maya does not touch them.
las personas que están bajo el refugio de Rama y Krishna, no van a ser
They
tocados
will
por
thrive.
Maya.
They'll have no troubles. Everything will work out for them. You will have to live in this material world. You will have
Entonces,
to work.
¿qué debemos hacer en este mundo material? Debemos caminar.
Like, who is the most powerful creature? Lion. If lion says, I'm.
Bajo la guía de Bhagavan.
Who is the most powerful creature? Lion.
¿Cuál es el mayor depredador? Es el
If
león.
lion says, I'm the most powerful, I'm the king of jungle, I'm the king of forest.
El león dice, yo soy el rey de la jungla, del...
So if there's a lion, there's always a powerful lion than the first lion. But more powerful lion than other lion.
Pero puede haber un león más
So the lion,
fuerte que
what
otro.
does he have to do?
Entonces, ¿qué
He
tienen
has
que
to
hacer?
hunt for his food. So in
El león
Sanskrit,
tiene
there's
que
this word.
cazar su comida.
If lion say, I'm the king, I am very powerful, the deer should come to my mouth and it enter, then I will eat. No, he has to make efforts. He has to make efforts to hunt down and earn his food.
Entonces, aunque el león sea uno de los animales más poderosos, aunque él diga, este venado tiene que venir a mi boca para poder comérmelo, esto no sucede así. En realidad el león tiene que hacer su esfuerzo por cazar a su presa, al
What is the
venado.
meaning?
Entonces, ¿cuál es el significado?
We have to do everything in this material world. We have to make efforts.
Entonces,
Depending on
en este mundo material, de acuerdo a nuestro karma, nosotros debemos realizar
this
diversas
material world is known as Karma Jagat, like the land of karmas.
actividades.
So
Estamos en
depending on
la
your
tierra del
samskars
karma.
and
Entonces,
karma,
de acuerdo con nuestros samskaras y al karma,
so people are doing karmas depending on that. But what is the essence? That we should chant the holy names. This is the essence of life.
es que nosotros tenemos que realizar diversas actividades o sufrir nuestro karma de acuerdo a nuestras vidas previas. Pero, entonces, ¿qué debemos hacer en esta vida? Debemos cantar los santos nombres.
So we should take some time out and we should chant the holy
Entonces
names.
debemos tomarnos un tiempo para cantar los santos.
So in Gita, Krishna says,
Entonces en el Gita, Krishna dice,
yesterday I explained it in the Bhagavatam evening,
yo estuve explicando
that my
en las
devotee,
clases del Srimad Bhagavatam,
becoming a devotee is very hard. It's very hard.
es muy
He said,
difícil
becoming a
convertirse en
devotee is very hard
devoto,
because we will have to serve. What is bhakti? Bhakti is service, doing service. We don't have time. Material world, if you ask them to do some service, they will tell you, I don't have time, I have to go to school, I have to study.
Entonces, ¿qué pasa en este mundo material? Cuando tú le pides a una persona que realice cualquier tipo de servicio, te dicen, "Ay, no, no puedo, tengo muchas cosas que hacer, tengo que ir a la escuela, tengo que
Go to
ir al
college,
trabajo,
I don't have time to serve.
pero yo no tengo tiempo para
I don't
servir,
have time at all.
yo no tengo ningún
So
tipo de tiempo."
Lord says, okay, you don't want to become bhakt, don't want to do
Entonces,
service.
el Señor que dice, ok, no te tienes
So
que
do
convertir
some
en un
bhajan,
bhakta,
do kirtan.
haz un
They
poco de
say,
vayan, de
oh, it's very
kirtan,
hard. I have to
pero
do puja. I don't have time to light a lamp,
dicen,
offer a lamp to you. Lord,
es muy difícil poder realizar puya, ¿por qué? Porque no tengo tiempo de ofrecerte aunque sea una lámpara.
what Krishna says,
Y Krishna que dice,
just give me a pranam.
ok, entonces solo dame
Wherever you're
pranama.
going for any work,
A donde sea que
before
tú
stepping
vayas,
out of your house,
antes de
if
salir
your
de tu
house is
casa,
temple,
si
do
tu
pranams to the
casa
God.
es un templo, entonces da pranama al Señor.
So that's why it is explained.
Entonces es por eso que se dice,
So when you do Ashwamedha Yagya 10 times the fire sacrifice, which is the topmost fire sacrifice, what did Lord Ramchandra do? He did Ashwamedha Yagya, the fire sacrifice using a horse. So the horse is made to run around everywhere. They can go anywhere in the world, and whoever stops that horse, they have to war or they have to surrender to the king. king that's in the made run around every.
Entonces,
What did Lord Ramchandra do?
¿qué hizo el señor
He did
Ramachandra?
Ashwamedh Yagya and
Él
fire sacrifice
hizo
using a
un
horse.
sacrificio de fuego
So the
ocupando
horse
un
is made to run
caballo.
around everywhere. They
Y
can
el
go
caballo,
anywhere in the world, and whoever stops that horse,
entonces el caballo podía correr alrededor de todo el mundo. Y aquella persona que detuviera a este caballo,
they have to war or they have to surrender to the king.
él tenía que
King
rendirse al
that's in
rey.
the horse. So this is the horse keeps wandering and wandering. And at that time, the
En
horse
ese
he
momento,
stopped at
el
the
caballo
place where the children of Ramchandra was there.
se detuvo en
And
el
love and
lugar
course,
donde
children
estaban
of
los
Ramchandra, they caught that
hijos
horse,
de
and then they have to. There was a war
Ramachandra.
situation between Lord Ramchandra and his children. In Ramayana, it is explained they caught that horse, and then they have to.
Y
There was a
entonces
war situation between Lord Ramchandra and his children.
cortaron al caballo.
And love and course, the children of Ramchandra, they caught that horse, and then they have to. There was a war situation between Lord Ramchandra and his children.
Y entonces surgió una situación entre el señor Ramachandra y
In
su hijo.
Ramayana, it is explained
En el
very
Ramayana
beautiful.
se explica
Did you
claramente
see it
esto
in
de una manera
television?
muy hermosa.
It's very beautiful.
¿Lo han visto en televisión? Esto es
Then
muy hermoso.
Lakshman, Lord Ramchandra also entered.
De hecho, también entró
So
Lakshman.
Valmiki Rishi, he did not let them fight.
Entonces,
Lord Ramchandra also entered. So Valmiki Rishi, he did
Valmiki
not let them
Rishi
fight.
no dejó que ellos pelearan.
Because the fire sacrifice is very important to complete. So this is what's being explained here. So I'm
Entonces,
making the point, if you do this fire sacrifice 10 times,
si ustedes hacen este
this
sacrificio
is
de
the
fuego
most
10
important
veces,
fire sacrifice. Even then they have to come back to this material world. If you do
incluso
such fire sacrifice 10 times,
quien haga este sacrificio de fuego, aunque lo haga por 10 veces, aún así va a tener que regresar a este mundo.
if you offer pranams
Pero
to
si tú
Krishna,
ofreces
bow your
pranama a
head
Krishna,
down and
inclinas
do
tu
pranam,
cabeza y
they
ofreces
say you
prana,
won't have to come back to this material
tú no
world.
necesitas regresar a este mundo material.
This is the glories of doing a pranam.
Estas son las glorias de ofrecer pranam.
So what do you do early morning?
Entonces, ¿qué deben hacer temprano por la
This is a
mañana?
rule. This is like a daily thing. So you wake up early in the morning.
Entonces,
First,
temprano por la mañana,
you take
ustedes
darshan, and then
tienen que tomar darshan.
with your mantra, first you open your eyes, and
Primero,
then you put your feet on the ground.
primero abres tus ojos, después tus pies en el piso.
So everything is process is explained in scriptures. How to wake up in the morning.
Entonces,
and
las
the mantra.
escrituras explican
So you
el
speak the
proceso
mantra and then you open your eyes.
para
So this
levantarse.
is how it is explained.
Uno recita un mantra por la mañana
This is
al
very
despertar.
beautiful.
Esto es algo
In
muy
Shastras,
hermoso.
everything is explained.
En la Shastra todo esto es explicado,
But the names of Bhagavad
pero los nombres de
is
Bhagavad
the most important.
son las cosas más
Even if you
importantes.
just chant the holy names,
Incluso
that's enough. So
con que
wake
tú
up early in the
cantes
morning and chant
los
holy
santos
names.
nombres, eso es suficiente.
So if your body is pure or impure in any
Entonces,
situation,
si tu cuerpo es puro o
you should
impuro,
chant
en
the holy
cualquier
names.
situación tú puedes
So
cantar
take
los
a
santos
bath
nombres.
or you
Entonces,
don't take a bath, it
tomando
does
un
not
baño
matter.
o no, eso no importa.
You are eligible to chant the holy names.
Tú puedes cantar los santos
This
nombres.
is the process to chant the holy names. You can chant anytime, any situation.
Entonces,
Nam Prabhu, he is God.
cuando tú cantes en cualquier situación, Nam Prabhu,
So there's no difference between the name and the name of the person.
entonces recuerden que
Name of
no
the
hay
person and the name itself.
diferencia entre el santo nombre
Sorry,
y
there's no difference between the person and the name
Bhagavan.
of that person.
No hay
So one time
diferencia
in
entre el
Navadvip,
nombre y la persona.
these are the glories of the holy names in Pradhans.
Estas son las
In
glorias del
Ramayana,
santo nombre.
there are lots of Ramayans. The base Ramayana is Valmiki Ramayana, that is written in Sanskrit. So Ramayana is the oldest Ramayana and the best Ramayana, which is written by Valmiki Rishi in Sanskrit language.
Entonces,
There are other editions of Ramayana. India is a very diverse country.
entonces el Ramayana fue escrito por Valmiki, aunque en India hay muchas ediciones o muchos otros libros del Ramayana por otros autores, ya que India es un lugar de mucha diversidad.
Is it or not? So many languages, so many weathers, so many culture. They have different states. Every state has their own culture. So from north and from
Entonces,
east to
del
west,
norte al sur y del este a
India
oeste,
is very diverse. You can check.
India tiene mucha diversidad.
Go more towards the south. Sorry, towards the north. There's Himachal Pradesh and it's cold, and then you would go towards the south. Then it's warm. Right now, if you go to Kanyakumari, which is like on the bottom of India, south of India, it's so hot. Around December and January, you will have to use fan and air conditioner there. Have you been to Kanyakumari?
Entonces,
Did you go to
por ejemplo, los climas incluso en India son muy diferentes estando en el norte o en el sur del país. ¿Alguno de ustedes ha
December and
ido
January?
a
You have to use fan and air conditioner there. Have you been to Kanyakumari?
Kanyakumari?
Have you been to Kanyakumari? Prabhuji has been to Kanyakumari.
Entonces ahora mismo es un lugar
See,
muy
the
caliente,
Vivekananda
pero
Rock there
después
is very beautiful.
puedes ocupar aire acondicionado.
So you sit in a boat and you see that monument. I have been there as well. Gurudev is saying he has been there. Dhanushkote and Setu Bandhan is also there. There's darshan of Ramchandra there.
Entonces en ese lugar hay darshan del señor
Ram
Ramachandra.
Krishna, he made the bridge to Lanka.
Entonces
That
Ram
is
Krishna
still, you can
hizo
see
el
the
puente
traces of it
hacia
under the ground.
Lanka.
Below the ocean, you can see the traces of that bridge.
Ustedes
That Lord Ramchandra made. Traces
pueden ver
imprints.
este puente hasta la fecha.
Lord Ramchandra, he put stone.
El señor Ramachandra puso una piedra.
Nahi. Lord Ramchandra
El señor
created that bridge
Ramachandra
to Lanka. Rameshwara and Shiveshwara to Lanka.
estaba que
Rameshwara and
perdón.
Ramchandra created that bridge.
Entonces el señor Ramachandra
Lanka.
hizo ese puente hacia Lanka.
Rameshwara and Shiveshwara.
Rameshwara y Srideshwara.
Who is God? Lord Ramchandra.
¿Quién es Dios? Es el señor Ramachandra.
So Lord Ramchandra is the God of Lord Shiva.
Entonces el señor
Lord
Ramachandra es el señor de
It is very beautiful
Shiva.
place. It is a very peaceful place. You can go in the ocean.
Entonces hay un
You
lugar
can
muy
go
hermoso.
deep
Ustedes
into
pueden
far
ir
into the ocean. In the middle of the ocean,
por el
around
océano.
40 years ago, I went there.
Hace unos
Around
14 años yo estaba
1981,
en
maybe
ese lugar
82 something. And I went there. It was a very beautiful place.
y había un lugar muy
I
hermoso.
enjoyed to see that.
Yo disfruté
Let's come
mucho
back to Harikatha and
ese lugar.
just
Entonces
what I
regresando al
was, what
Harikata,
was I speaking? I was speaking of the glories of the holy name.
entonces yo estaba hablando acerca de las glorias del santo nombre.
So I was glorifying the name, then I started speaking of Lord Ramchandra.
Entonces estábamos hablando acerca de las glorias del santo nombre y de
India is a
Ramachandra.
very diverse country.
Entonces estábamos
Let's start
diciendo
with
que
that.
India es un lugar con mucha
India is an
diversidad.
extremely diverse country. There are different cultures,
Hay
different type
muchas
of food states on this
culturas,
state. There's different languages.
diversas
India is
lenguas.
very diverse,
India es muy diversa,
but
pero
from north to south,
de
from
norte a
west to
sur,
east.
de este a oeste,
So you go to South India and you will not understand the language Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam.
ustedes pueden ir al sur de India y no
They have
entender la
different
lengua.
script of writing as well.
Tienen muchos tipos de escritura.
So I was talking about Ramayans.
Entonces yo estaba hablando acerca
The,
del Ramayana,
the central Ramayan is Valmiki Ramayan, which is written in
que
Sanskrit
el
language.
original es
After
el que
that,
fue escrito por
a lot of
Valmiki.
different speakers of
Después de
India
eso, diversos
they translated
hablantes,
Ramayana and edited that.
ellos empezaron a traducir el Ramayana de Valmiki.
So which Ramayan was I talking about?
Entonces, ¿de qué Ramayana estaba hablando?
I was glorifying the holy names.
Entonces estaba glorificando
In
los
Ramayan,
santos nombres.
it is a very beautiful story.
Entonces
One day Lord Ramchandra,
en el Ramayana,
in Ayodhya, he was sitting in his assembly, in his courtyard, and all the devotees were sitting, the citizens were sitting, ministers were sitting.
entonces
Sitting
estaba,
in his assembly,
perdón,
in his courtyard.
hay una hermosa historia de el señor Ramachandra que estaba
It is a very
sentado,
beautiful story. One day Lord Ramchandra, in Ayodhya, he was sitting in his assembly,
en una asamblea
and all the devotees were
y
sitting,
todos los devotos
the
también
citizens
estaban
were
ahí
sitting, ministers were sitting.
sentados
And in
junto
that,
con el ministro
Vasishta Rishi came,
y apareció un
and
rishi.
Vishwamitra also came. So Vasishta Rishi, he's guru. Vasishta Rishi said to Hanuman, do one thing.
Entonces le dijo a Hanuman, haz una
At that
cosa.
time everyone is sitting,
Y en
give
ese
your pranams
momento
to everyone, and
todos
do
estaban
not give
sentados.
pranam to Vishwamitra. So pranam everyone and don't pranam Vishwamitra.
Entonces le dijo, ok, dale pranam a todos, excepto a
Sitting, give your
Vishmari,
pranams to everyone and do not give pranam to Vishwamitra. So pranam everyone and don't pranam Vishwamitra.
a Vishvamrita. Entonces le tenía que dar pranam a todos excepto a él.
Listen to my Harikatha. So at that time, what did Hanuman do?
Entonces, ¿qué hizo
He gave
Hanuman?
pranams to everyone, and he did not give pranam to Vishwamitra, and Vishwamitra got so angry.
Entonces le dio pranam a todos
And
excepto
he
a
came to Lord Ramchandra
Vishvamitra.
and he complained about it, that your servant Hanuman, he has disrespected me. He has given pranams to everyone and he has not given pranams to me.
Entonces él empezó a molestarse y dijo, ¿cómo es posible que Hanuman haga
So Lord
esto? Le está
Ramchandra
dando a
said,
todos
what
pranam.
punishment do you want to give him? To my servant?
Y
So he said, give him punishment that, so before
entonces dijo, ¿qué quieres que haga con Hanuman? Y él respondió, quiero que lo
tomorrow
castigues.
night, before tomorrow night, you will kill Hanuman with your arrow.
Entonces,
That's what
mañana
Vishwamitra
en la
did.
noche
So Lord Ramchandra was surprised.
tú
Lord
tienes que
Ramchandra
matarlo.
said,
Y el señor Ramachandra quedó
so he said,
sorprendido y le dijo,
I promise that I will attack Hanuman
yo prometo que voy a
with my
atacar
arrow and I will
a
stop firing
Hanuman.
arrows when you tell me.
Yo voy a atacar a Hanuman con mi arco y voy a detener lanzar flechas hasta que tú me digas.
So Lord Ramchandra declared that
Entonces
tomorrow early in the morning,
el señor Ramachandra declaró que
he will kill
temprano por la
Hanuman.
mañana
Lord Hanuman
él
started to cry.
iba a matar a Hanuman y
So
Hanuman
the
empezó a llorar.
arrows of Ram, they are like, they always hit the target. No one can stop such arrows. They will hit the target.
Entonces nadie puede parar las flechas
So he
de
only carries one
Ramachandra.
arrow with him.
De hecho, él solamente
and then
cargaba
thing gives like
una
arrows and
flecha.
arrow. So so it goes and it hits the target and it comes back. So
¿Por
Lord
qué?
Ramchandra
Porque
was only carrying one arrow.
esa misma flecha regresa. Esa es la razón por la que solo lleva una flecha.
So this is the learning. Like even if you die, your promise should never die. You should keep up your promises even if you die. So Lord Ramchandra promised that
Entonces,
he will fire arrows. And I will try to kill Hanuman. So Hanuman started to cry. He said, Lord Ramchandra has given a promise. No one can stop him now.
entonces el señor Ramachandra dijo, ok, el día de mañana yo voy a tocar a Hanuman con una de mis flechas, voy a intentar atacarlo y Hanuman entonces empezó a
Who
llorar.
can be saved from the arrows of Ramchandra?
Y él empezó a pensar, ¿quién puede estar a salvo de las
So
flechas del señor
Hanuman started to
Ramachandra?
cry.
Entonces él empezó a llorar
He said,
y dijo,
Gurudev, you told me.
Gurudev,
Vashishtrashi said, Hanuman, don't worry. Just keep Ram and chant the names of Ram. So Hanumanji on the banks of Vashishtrashi said, Hanuman, don't
entonces,
worry. Just keep taking the names of Ram and chant. He said, Gurudev, you told me. Vashishtrashi said, Hanuman, don't worry. Just
entonces
keep
su Gurudev
taking the names of Ram and chant the names of Ram. So Hanumanji
le dijo, no te preocupes, únicamente tienes que cantar los santos nombres de Rama.
on the banks of Salya river, he chanted to chant
Entonces
the names of
a las
Ram, Ram,
orillas del
Ram,
río
Ram,
empezó
Ram.
a cantar Ram, 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 Ram.
And early in the morning, Lord
Y
Ramchandra, when
temprano
the
por la
sunrise,
mañana,
early in the morning, he
Ramachandra,
brought his bow and arrow
él
and
tomó
he
su
reached
arco y
to
su
kill
flecha
Hanuman.
e intentó matar a
See the glorious
Hanuman.
and power of the name here. So Lord
Ustedes ahí pueden
Ramchandra
ver
is
el poder
firing
de
his
los santos
arrows
nombres.
over and over again.
Entonces
And here
Ramachandra estaba
Hanuman
lanzando
is
las
chanting the
flechas
names
y
Ram,
Hanuman
Ram, Ram,
estaba cantando
Siyavar.
Ram, Ram, Ram,
Sita
Ram.
Ram, Sita Ram. Jai Jai Ram. So Hanumanji,
Entonces Hanuman
he was fearless. He was absorbed in
estaba
the holy names of Ram. And here,
tenía miedo, pero estaba
Lord
cantando el
Ramchandra
santo nombre. Entonces el señor
is
Ramachandra
firing his arrows, and all
estaba
the
lanzando
arrows, where are they
sus
coming?
flechas,
They all surrounded Hanuman
pero todas las
like
flechas
in like
se rendían a
so the
Hanuman.
so the deer, they were curved and they were facing Hanuman and they were surrounded Hanuman.
Entonces quedaban completamente
The
rendidas a
arrows
Hanuman.
didn't hit Hanuman. So
Las
this
flechas
is
no
the
dañaron a Hanuman.
glories of holy name,
Estas son las glorias
that
del santo
arrows of
nombre.
Ramchandra couldn't hit Hanuman. They were
Entonces ninguna flecha
stuck.
de
So
Ramachandra
from
pudo
early
dañar a
morning
Hanuman.
till evening and till night,
Entonces desde
from
la
morning till
mañana
night,
hasta la
Lord
noche,
Ramchandra
el señor
is
Ramachandra
firing arrows over
estaba
and over again, but
lanzando flechas
even
una
one
y otra
arrow
vez.
didn't touch Hanuman.
Pero ni
All the
siquiera
arrows,
una flecha
they were
tocó a
surrounded
Hanuman.
and
¿Por qué? Porque todas
kind of
las
offering pranam
flechas
to Hanuman, the arrows,
quedaban
because they were
rendidas a
bent.
Hanuman y le rendían
So
pranam.
this is competition between Ram and the names of Ram.
Entonces
So the
ahí
name of
podemos
Ram,
ver,
the arrows that Ramchandra is firing, the name of Ram is defeating that. It's stopping it.
entonces aquí
This is
podemos ver cómo el nombre de Rama protegió a Hanuman de las flechas que estaba lanzando el mismo señor
the power of
Ramachandra.
the holy names.
Esa es la
Lord
potencia
Ramchandra
de los
himself
santos nombres.
is attacking with the arrows,
El
and the
señor
names of the Lord
Ramachandra
Ram is
está
stopping that
atacando con
arrows.
sus flechas, pero
One
los
arrow
nombres de
didn't
Ram
touch
estaban
Hanuman.
protegiendo
And from morning till night,
a Hanuman.
from
Entonces,
morning to night,
desde la mañana hasta la noche,
Lord Ramchandra is sweating. He's so tired.
el
At that
señor
time,
Ramachandra ya
Vasiष्ಠ
estaba muy cansado. Y entonces habló con el Rishi
said to Vishwamitra, "Hey Vishwamitra,
y le dijo, hey,
see Lord Ramchandra is so tired. Tell
Vishmaritra.
him to stop."
Él le dijo, ok, dile al señor
Lord Ramchandra
Ramachandra
is
que
feeling so
pares.
pain. Lord Shambhala
se
is
ve
like firing
cansado.
arrows from full day.
¿Por qué?
And he's
Porque él había
sweating.
lanzado flechas todo el día.
And so Vishwamitra, after Vishwamitra went to Lord Ramchandra and he started to
Entonces
pray, Hey Prabhu,
Vishmavrita fue
I
con
have seen
Hanuman.
your holy
Yo he
name
visto
and
tus
glory of
glorias y
your
las
servant. I
glorias
have
del
seen.
santo nombre
Please stop now. He prayed. Eho.
y las glorias
Seen.
y
Please stop
de tu
now.
servicio.
He
Entonces
prayed. Eho. So Vishwamitra, he said to Lord Ramchandra, please stop
Vishmavrita le
firing your
dijo,
arrows now.
mayores o más elevados
So this
que
is the
Rama.
glories of the holy name.
Esas
In
son las
Valmiki Ramayan,
glorias del
there was
santo
a
nombre.
Shudra. He used to
En el
perform
Ramayana
meditation
había un
and
Sudra que
austerities,
estaba haciendo una
and he came to
meditación y
Ramchandra,
austeridades y fue con el
and
señor
Ramchandra said,
Ramachandra.
kill that Shudra.
Y Ramachandra
You have to
dijo
kill
que
that Shudra.
ustedes deben matar a ese Sudra.
In Ramayan,
En el
in Valmiki
Ramayana
Ramayan, there's a story about this. It's a second another story.
se cuenta esta historia.
At that time,
En ese
that
tiempo,
Shudra got scared. He got so scared and afraid that
él,
Lord Ramchandra
él
has
estaba,
decided tomorrow that he will kill him. At that time, what did he do?
entonces él estaba temeroso porque Ramachandra lo iba a matar.
He went to
Y dijo, ¿qué puedo hacer?
Anjana Devi, the mother of Hanuman.
Entonces
Anjana.
fueron
And
con
he said, Mother,
la madre de
you are
Ramachandra.
mother. You always protect Hanuman from everything. Please protect me as well. So Anjana Devi said,
Entonces le dijo, yo sé que tú protegerías a Hanuman
Anjana. And he said,
de cualquier
Mother,
forma porque es tu
you
hijo.
are mother.
Entonces,
You
de la
always
misma
protect
manera,
Hanuman from everything. Please protect me as well. So Anjana Devi said, so
protégeme.
this happened. Anjana, she said, okay, I will tell Hanuman about this.
Entonces dijo, ok,
So when
yo
Hanumanji
hablaré
came,
con Hanuman. Y
Mother
cuando,
Anjana said, son. So this happened. Anjana, she said, okay, I will tell Hanuman about this. So when Hanumanji came,
entonces cuando
Mother Anjana said,
Hanuman llegó,
son,
le dijo,
please protect my promise.
hijo,
Hanuman said, whatever you say, I'll do.
por favor, protégelo.
He said, Lord Ramchandra has taken, is very firm on his decision that he will kill this person. So I want you to protect him.
Entonces el señor Ramachandra había tomado la decisión de matarlo, pero yo lo voy a
Lord
proteger.
Hanuman said,
Eso fue lo que dijo
okay, I
Hanuman.
will keep your,
Yo voy a cuidarte.
I will keep your promise. So early in the morning, Lord Ramchandra, he came with his bow and arrow to kill
Entonces,
that person.
temprano por la mañana va a venir
And
Ramachandra con
Hanumanji,
su arco y su flecha
the
para matarlo.
Shudra who was doing austerities, Lord Hanuman came and stood in front of that Shudra.
Entonces, ¿qué pasó? Que
Lord
enfrente de este Sudra que había hecho muchas austeridades, Hanuman se puso
Ramchandra
frente a él.
asked Hanuman, why are you here?
Y
Hanuman
Ramachandra le
said, I
dijo,
promised
Hanuman,
my mother to protect this Shudra.
entonces le dijo, Hanuman, ¿qué estás haciendo aquí? Y Hanuman le dijo, yo prometí a mi madre que yo iba a proteger a
So,
este
Prabhu,
Sudra.
kill me first, and then you kill him.
Entonces, primero me vas a tener que matar a mí y después vas a matarlo a él.
So Lord Ramchandra, he started to fire arrows. It's like, you keep your promise even if you die. So at that time, Hanuman, he
Y en
started to
ese
chant the names
momento,
of Rama.
el señor Hanuman empezó a
So
cantar los
all the
nombres de
arrows of
Rama
Lord Ramchandra,
y todas las
they went
flechas
back.
del señor
At
Ramachandra
the end, Lord Ramchandra,
regresaban.
he said, Hanuman tumhari jai ho. So this is the story. So this is in another Ramayana. There
Entonces,
are lots of Ramayana and there are different stories in each of them.
este es otro Ramayana y hay
But
diferentes historias.
the Mool Ramayana, the main one is the Valmiki Ramayana.
Pero
So on the basis of
el
that,
original es el que fue
all the
escrito
other
por
Ramayans are
Valmiki.
written. So that is the main Ramayana by Valmiki in Sanskrit.
El original fue el que fue escrito
Tulsidas
en
Ramayana.
sánscrito por Valmiki.
In North India, Tulsidas Ramayana is like mostly studied in North India. In Hindi language it is.
Entonces, en el norte de India, el más estudiado
Tulsidas Ramayana is like
es el que fue
mostly
escrito
studied
por
in North
Tulsidas
India. In Hindi language it is.
en hindi.
there are different languages: Tamil, Telugu, Bengali language,
Hay muchas
Ramayana. There's
lenguas.
not even a language where Ramayana has not been written
El
yet.
Ramayana no hay
So
lengua
even in
donde no esté
Urdu, which is a
escrito.
language of Muslims, it's written, Ramayana is written in that language as well.
Incluso en la lengua de los musulmanes también está escrito el Ramayana.
So the stories of Ram is so
Entonces
beautiful.
las historias de Rama son muy
So
bonitas.
Hari se bada Hari ka naam. The names of Hari are bigger than Hari.
Entonces los nombres de Hari son
So
más
the name of
elevados
Ram is
que
bigger than Lord Ram.
el nombre que Hari mismo.
Like the stones, they float on water with the name of Ram. And that
Entonces,
same stone, Lord Ramchandra, was leaving stones himself, then the stones were drowning.
entonces es como por ejemplo las piedras que construyeron, con las que se construyó el puente que iba hacia Lanka, tenían escritas el nombre de Rama, pero cuando Rama mismo intentó aventar una de esas piedras, ¿qué pasó? Que se hundió.
So when they were creating the bridge,
Entonces cuando ellos estaban construyendo el
Navneil, the
puente,
people with Lord Ramchandra, they they used to pick, they take the name of Ram, stone in water, ocean, and then the stone started to float.
entonces ¿qué pasaba? Que tomaban una de las piedras, le ponían el nombre de Rama, las aventaban al océano y estas empezaban a
So Lord
flotar.
Ramchandra was sitting on the shore and he was saying
Y el señor
that they're
Ramachandra
taking my
estaba
name
viendo
and they're dropping the stone and
cómo
the stone is
ellos
floating on the water.
tomaban mi nombre, aventaban la piedra al océano y las piedras empezaban a flotar.
So Lord Ramchandra started
Entonces
to think, I
el
will also
señor
leave a stone
Ramachandra
in the water to float and help them.
dijo, yo también voy a
So
lanzar algunas piedras con mi nombre para que floten y los pueda ayudar.
So if it drowns, everyone will make joke of me. So Lord Ramchandra,
Pero dijo, ¿qué pasa si yo aviento una y no flota? Entonces todo el mundo se va a reír de mí. Entonces el señor
so he
Ramachandra,
just went a bit far away
él
from
se fue un
everyone.
poco
He
lejos,
picked up a small stone
tomó una piedra pequeña
and he threw it in the water,
y la aventó hacia
hoping
el
that it will float. But
agua
that
para
stone, it
esperar
drowned.
que flotara, pero en realidad se hundió esa piedra.
At that time, Hanuman
Y
came
en ese momento apareció Hanuman
and he said, Prabhu, what
y le
are you
dijo,
doing?
Prabhu,
Lord
¿qué
Ramchandra
estás
said, Hey
haciendo?
Hanuman,
Y
I
Ramachandra
don't
le dijo,
understand what's
Hanuman,
happening.
yo no entiendo qué es lo que está pasando.
So with my name,
Con mi
the Chambal
nombre
reached to Lanka, and my
están,
name, all the people, they are throwing stones and they are floating.
entonces con mi nombre están construyendo el puente que va hacia Lanka. Toman mi nombre y avientan la piedra y la piedra
Heavy
flota.
stones are floating in water. But
Pero
I am here myself,
yo estoy
and I'm
aquí
throwing these stones in the
y yo
water, and
aviento
they're
las
drowning. I
piedras
don't understand what's
y
going
las
on.
piedras se hunden. Entonces yo no entiendo qué pasa.
So Hanumanji
Entonces
explained a very
Hanuman
beautiful thing here. He
explicó
said,
algo muy
Prabhu,
hermoso y le dijo, Prabhu,
there is no difference between you and your names.
no hay diferencia entre
But
tú y tu
if you
nombre,
leave
pero
someone in material world,
si
then
tú,
how can they float? They will drown. There is no difference between you and your names. But if you leave someone in material world, then
pero si tú abandonas a alguien en el mundo
how can
material,
they float?
¿cómo es
They
posible
will
que ellos
drown.
floten?
There's no difference between you and your name.
No hay
But
diferencia
those
entre
who
tu
take your
nombre y tú,
names, those who
pero
take your shelter, then they keep
aquellos que toman tu nombre y que toman tu refugio,
floating on the deep ocean of Maya.
ellos,
And they get delivered. Difference between you and your name. But those who take your names, those who take your shelter, then they keep floating.
y pueden
So what I'm
liberarse de
saying
este
here
océano.
is,
Dar los
all you have
santos
to do in
nombres.
Kali Yuga
No necesitas hacer nada más
is
en
chant the
Kali
names of
Yuga,
the God.
solamente cantar los nombres de Dios.
Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Sitaram, Sitaram, Hare. नहीं प्यास हाथ में देव नाम तेरा हाथ में तू अकेला नहीं प्यास एक नाता राम जी से दूजे नाता छोड़ दे साधु संग राम नाम रंग रंग रखिए सीताराम 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 कहिए चाहे विधि रखे राम चाहे विधि रहिए सीताराम 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 कहिए This book is very nice.
Este libro es muy bueno.
So this book has been created in the memory of this house Zona. Gurudev also has this book.
Gurudev solía tener este libro también.
So the owner of this house, he made this book.
Entonces
In
el
memory
dueño
of
de
his
esta casa
parents.
realizó este libro en memoria de sus padres.
The glorification of Lord Ramchandra is very nice in this book.
La glorificación al señor Ramachandra en este libro es muy buena. Bueno, hasta aquí llega esta clase. Muchas gracias a los que se conectan para escuchar este Harikatha de Srila Gurudev. Disculpen cualquier error y cualquier ofensa cometida durante esta traducción. Ancha kalpatarubhyaścha kripa sindhubhyaeva cha patitanam pavanebhyo vaishnavebhyo namo namaha. Srila Gurudev ki jai.